Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll talk about an exciting topic, school. It's where we learn, grow, and make lifelong memories. If you're looking to improve your English, this video is perfect for you. Practice English listening while learning about school life, subjects, and why education is important. Let's get started and have fun as we explore this topic together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content to help you learn English. School is an important part of our lives. It is where we learn new things and make friends. Every day, students go to school to study different subjects. School helps us grow and prepare for the future. In this essay, we will talk about school, the subjects we study, and why it is important. What is school? School is a place where children and young people learn. It is where teachers help students understand new ideas. In school, we have many subjects to study, like math, science, and history. School is also a place to meet friends and learn how to work with others. Subjects in school. In school, we study many subjects. Each subject teaches us something new. For example, math helps us learn how to count and solve problems. Science teaches us about the world around us. English helps us learn how to read, write, and speak better. Each subject is important for our education. Why school is important? School is important because it helps us learn the skills we need for the future. It prepares us for jobs and helps us become good citizens. School also teaches us how to think critically and solve problems. It is a place where we learn about ourselves and the world. Daily routine at school. A typical day at school begins in the morning. We wake up early, have breakfast, and go to school. At school, we attend different lessons. We have breaks between lessons to rest and talk with our friends. After finishing school, we go home to do homework or relax. Teachers and students. Teachers are important in school. They help us understand new things and guide us through lessons. Students, on the other hand, work hard to learn and do their best. Good students listen to their teachers and ask questions when they don't understand. Teachers and students work together to create a good learning environment. School activities. In addition to studying, schools offer many fun activities. These activities help us relax and enjoy our time at school. Some schools have sports teams, music classes, and art clubs. Students can join these activities to learn new skills and make new friends. These activities also help us stay healthy and active. School breaks. Breaks at school are important. They give us time to rest and refresh our minds. During breaks, students can talk to their friends, eat snacks, or play games. Breaks help us feel better and ready to learn more when the lessons start again. They are a fun part of the school day. Homework. Homework is a part of school life. It helps us practice what we learn in class. Sometimes homework can be difficult, but it is important to finish it. Doing homework helps us improve our skills and learn new things. Parents and teachers can help us if we have trouble. Friendships at school. One of the best things about school is making friends. At school, we meet many different people. We learn how to talk to others, share ideas, and work together. Good friends help us feel happy and supported. School is a great place to make lasting friendships. School uniforms. Some schools have uniforms. A school uniform is a special set of clothes that all students wear. Uniforms help students look neat and feel equal. They also help students focus more on learning rather than fashion. Some people like uniforms, while others prefer to wear their own clothes. Challenges in school. School can be difficult at times. Some students may find certain subjects hard to understand. Others may have trouble making friends or dealing with school rules. However, it is important to ask for help when we need it. Teachers, parents, and friends can help us overcome these challenges. The importance of school rules. Every school has rules. These rules help create a safe and respectful environment for everyone. School rules teach us how to behave properly and respect others. Following school rules helps us learn discipline and responsibility. It is important to follow these rules every day. School and the future. School helps us prepare for the future. The things we learn in school will help us get good jobs and take care of ourselves. School teaches us how to think, solve problems, and make good decisions. Education is the key to success, and school gives us the tools we need for our future. School in different countries. Schools are different in every country. Some countries have long school days, while others have shorter days. The subjects they teach may also be different. Some schools have more focus on sports or arts, while others focus more on academics. Even though schools are different, the goal is the same: to educate students. The role of parents in education. Parents play an important role in school life. They help their children with homework and encourage them to study. Parents also communicate with teachers to check on their child's progress. A strong partnership between parents and teachers helps students do their best in school. Learning beyond the classroom. Learning doesn't only happen in the classroom. We can learn from books, the internet, and even from our experiences in life. Going on field trips, watching educational videos, or learning a new hobby are all ways to learn outside of school. These experiences help us grow and understand the world better. School spirit. Every school has a special spirit. This spirit comes from students, teachers, and the community working together. School spirit is shown through sports events, school dances, and other fun activities. It helps create a positive environment where everyone feels proud to be part of the school. The future of education. The future of education is changing. More and more students are using technology in school, such as computers and tablets. Online learning is also becoming more popular. In the future, students may learn in new and exciting ways. Education will continue to evolve and help students succeed in the modern world. Conclusion. In conclusion, school is an important part of our lives. It helps us learn new things, make friends, and prepare for the future. We study many different subjects, and we also participate in fun activities. School is where we learn important life skills and grow as individuals. It is a place that shapes our future. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful for your English listening practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos to improve your English. See you in the next video.